Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm wearing Lakme's 9 to 5 in the shade Fuchsia Suede, and I mixed it with some Huda Beauty's lipstick. I forgot where it is. I will show it to you guys. But the other day, I think like all we girls do, I was just looking under my top like that, and I realized that I had stretch marks on my breast, which is something that I think started only recently. I didn't have any drastic weight change that happened, but I did lose a lot of weight after COVID, and I haven't gained that weight yet. So maybe because of that, I have recently I'm recently seeing these stretch marks, which is not a problem, but let's just get rid of it. So I'm just going to show you like a DIY oil that you can make that will get rid of it, and you can use this even if you are pregnant, even if you are breastfeeding, because all the oils that I've used do not have any sulfates, no parabens, they're all natural. So no matter what phase you are in, you can definitely use it, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so for the DIY cream you will need 4 things. The first one is this Good Vibes lemon and tea tree body massage oil. I've been using this for my keratosis pilaris for a while now, and it has really worked on my skin. So that's why I'm trusting this. Because my keratosis pilaris leaves little tiny spots, and this helps reduce it. So this is why I'm using this on my breast as well. This has lemon and tea tree. Lemon will help brighten your skin. Tea tree will help with the texture overall. To this you are going to be adding a little bit of castor oil. I'm using the one from Good Vibes. I've been using this for years for my hair, my face, my stomach. Whenever I have stomach pain, you mix this with any multi-purpose aloe vera gel. You mix these 3 together and make a nice paste. Also, don't forget to add olive oil. Like I mentioned in my previous video, where I show you how to massage your breast to tighten it and firm it, you can add olive oil as well. So if you are suffering from stretch marks and you want to make your breast firm, you can use this, and you are going to use the same method that I showed in that previous video, which I will link in the description box for you guys, and you are going to massage it really well. Now you can leave this overnight. You can do this 1 hour before you take a shower. Even if you are breastfeeding, you can use this. Even if you are pregnant, you can use this. No matter what phase you are in life, you can use this, because all of these oils are completely natural. They do not have sulfates, parabens, so it is extremely safe for you to use this even while you are breastfeeding. But make sure before breastfeeding you wipe it off or wash it off. But you can leave this overnight as well. The only thing that I would say is for you to be extremely patient and consistent, because something as intense as stretch marks takes a while to fade away. You need to heal your skin over there, keep it moisturized for it to heal completely and for the stretch marks to fade away. Olive oil helps tighten the skin around that area. Aloe vera gel will keep it nourished and moisturized, and castor oil will help heal that area. We all use castor oil for our hair, but it's extremely good for your skin as well. So try this method. I promise you, you will start seeing drastic changes within few weeks of using it. And but please stay consistent and be patient. Don't use it for like 3-4 days, and when you don't see any result, don't be disheartened. Use this at least for 2 weeks before you start seeing any changes. And like I said, it is very flexible. You can leave it overnight, you can have it for 1 hour, you can have it for 30 minutes, but make sure you are consistent. I know you guys will ask me this. You can definitely use your normal extra virgin olive oil that you use for cooking. You can definitely put that in this. It will have the same effect and you will still be benefited. So that's it guys. I will leave all the links to everything in the description box. You can check it out, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.